Yo, what's up? Good morning everyone. Nandito kami ngayon sa Starfish Point, Grand Cayman Islands. At ngayon ay kasama ko ang walang iba kundi ang aking asawa and her best friend Alex First, all the way from California. Nandito kami ngayon, nagbabrunch kami. And itong fried rice made by Myrtle, and this is our ulam, tuyo, spam, and scrambled egg.
Made by RV. No.
Alright, let's eat. Napakaming starfish dyan dati, pero ngayon hindi ko alam kung ganun pa rin karami. Marami, iba't ibang species. Parang nakalagay dito is about 6,000 different species of starfish, pero ngayon wala na, hindi na siya makita. Today is November 16, 2025, and Alex will be here for 5 days. So the rooster is not like
A rooster. A rooster not roostering. He's laughing like a human.
Guys, later ay dito kasi kami sa north side. Mamaya pupunta kami sa east end, iikot, babaybayin namin yung mga tourist attraction doon. Itutour namin ngayon si Alex. And later this afternoon ay pupunta kami sa West Bay. May lamok.
Hindi, may
Napakaraming lamok dito.
ketchup.
Ketchup. Napakaraming ketchup pala. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa West Bay, specifically ay sa Turtle Pond.
You're funny.
Alex, I'm funny?
Uh-uh.
No, I'm not. I'm just living my life.
Wow!
I just want to be happy every time.
Because your personality is a lot different than ours.
Uh-huh.
That's part of life. That you will meet people that different personality.
Okay.
Like me, you met me.
Oh, like you? Okay, okay.
What will you find?
Starfish.
Starfish? Okay.
Try to find starfish.
Leave stuff right there.
Yeah. Don't worry about that. Oh!
Where?
There!
Where?
That orange one, you see it?
No.
Oh,
Wait.
yes.
Yeah, you see it?
I do.
Oh, no, just like this. No, come here. It's really
It's part of the...
it's part of the experience. You're gonna wet me.
That's the starfish.
Sorry, starfish. I'm gonna picture you.
I'm
You hold it.
nice.
Okay. Like that.
More. Catch it like this.
Aw, so sweet.
She's so slimy.
Come here closer to the starfish.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2... Is there something there?
Yeah.
May I see?
Fish.
Oh, there's a large fish. I think this is a popper fish.
Buffer. Oh, it's so pretty. Where is it? Right there. I
Yeah,
can see it now.
it's a big popper fish.
You already said it.
Yeah, I'll go there. I know what you're trying to do. Hey. So guys, yung mga nagtutour papuntang Stingray City, nagkakaroon sila ng parang side trip dito palagi sa Starfish Point. Kaya kung mapansin nyo, may mga yate, may mga bangka na pumupunta dito. It's because they are from, most of them are from Stingray City. Alright, lilibot na kami guys sa East End.
Don't call me miss, just blow me a kiss. Don't use my name, just join in the game. Don't call me up, don't call me down. No, just call me baby. Call me baby.
So, bibili lang kami ng mosquito repellent kasi tinadtad kami ng lamok doon. Madalas kami nagla-lunch doon ni Myrtle pero wala namang lamok. Okay.
What do you think? Is chopping cream, Benadryl.
This one.
This is more.
You can have this babe, instead.
Oh, seafood. This one?
Mm.
I have apple, but no apple. It's not even. Even your parents can't take her with me. What can you do?
Oh my goodness.
A lot of mosquito bites.
I'm really sorry. Thank you, Mommy Alex. Alright, let's go. Let's just have.
Don't
Let's
come
go.
to me next.
Oh, this is the first time that
We went here.
we go here.
Call me baby, yeah. Don't write me a letter saying all you care. Don't need no flowers, a fancy clothes to wear. Don't hold the door, don't tell me why. No, just call me baby. Call me baby, yeah. Don't hold my hand, try to make me up.
We made this duck. I drew the plans of this. Babe, that's the over the edge. The duck is behind. And this is it. I'm familiar with the
The design.
yeah.
Even the L-shaped one.
Yeah, the L shape. These are piles underneath.
Wow.
Yeah, those are not just columns. Yeah, we're speaking English because Alex is an English speaker. Yo! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Cayman Turtle Center or tinatawag nilang Turtle Farm. It's been 2 years since the last time I went here. This is it. 1, 2, 3. Bienvenido! Bawal mag-vlog dito sa loob kaya let's see you on the other side.
I'm gonna swim with the turtles now.
It's fine, so we just swim in the swimming pool. This is the giant turtles here. Look,
Oh my goodness. How old are they?
100 years old.
This is where we swim? Sana?
No, not here.
This is prohibited.
Yeah, this is too much for us.
Grabe, no? Ang dami nila, no? And they're, you know what? They're gonna kill it and they're gonna eat it.
No.
Ito ba yung kinakain nila?
Ayun.
Ito? Itong
Hindi.
malaki, no? Oh my God. So big.
Ito.
Kawawa naman sila, babe. Oh.
May sugat na.
May sugat na yun, ah.
Oo. Katanda na yan. Laki oh.
Oo, nag-chill pa yung ulo. Do not touch daw. Oh,
Yeah, there are parts there that you can touch the turtle.
look. Wow, so blue.
Blue?
Blue. Green? Nakakita kaya sila?
Oo naman. She's hiding.
Ah, cutie. You turn.
These are their foods, not their poops.
That's our poops.
That's their food.
No.
Okay, crocodile.
Crocodile to?
This one is crocodile.
Nasaan?
Oh, that's it.
So big.
So-
Oh, it's looking at you.
Parang 100 years ago, maraming crocodile dito. Tsaka
Sa
turtles.
Cayman? Oh,
Oo.
possible.
Is it salt water? Saltwater crocodile?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. Uy, ano?
Oh.
Ay, cutie.
It's very big.
Oh,
He's looking at us. Oh! Hi! He said hi!
Ay. Cutie, ala, lumapit pa siya, oh.
It's getting closer.
Yan. Look, ito logo.
Ang taba, no?
Scratchy,
For-
scratchy, no?
Yeah, for them to be clean, right?
Yeah, it's scratchy, scratchy, I think. Look,
They
scratchy,
don't-
scratchy. They don't eat it.
Oh!
Yeah, they scratch themselves.
Scratchy, scratchy.
Sinusundan ka? Come here.
This one is a different breed, I think. Yeah. See?
More brown, no?
Ayun, no? Maliliit.
Ayan, that's it. 2 fingers only.
2 fingers only. Touch it. Touch it. Oh!
Oh. Turtles already.
You. It's alright, you're clean.
Yeah, I'm clean. Like 2 fingers only.
2 fingers. Come on. Yay!
I don't want to stress them out.
Aww. Alex is very soft animal lover. Wow, there's an ice cream, but it is closed. trail?
The trail.
Where's the trail? I'll look for the trail.
It's fine. We don't have to do the trail.
How long
Like
is
10 minutes?
that? 10 minutes?
Hmm?
Okay, let's go. Close ang trail. So, wala na dapat trail, no? Pero hindi na nag-open yung iba. Baka may nawala na.
And this is the pool area. Look at that. There's a giant slide here.
I don't want to slide.
And there's a fountain. Take a shower first before we swim, okay?
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep in the liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will say
Alright, I think this is the end of our vlog for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next vlog, guys, and God bless. Close the camera in 3, 2, 1. Yay!